My government is implementing comprehensive educational reforms from the elementary level to higher education to strengthen the foundation of our society. We have organized the country's first mega parent-teacher meeting, fostering community engagement. We have redesigned Dokka Sitamma Madhyana Badi Bhojanam midday meal program to provide nutritious food to students. The Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Vidyarthi Mitra program will provide essential educational materials to 35.94 lakh students. We are modernizing infrastructure through initiatives like Mana Badi Mana Bhavishyatu. We have introduced global standard reforms in higher education, ensuring our curriculum aligns with the rapidly changing technological landscape both nationally and globally. In line with these reforms, we have recently appointed vice chancellors to 9 universities purely on merit, following established procedures to streamline higher education, bringing in fresh perspectives and leadership to drive excellence. Andhra Pradesh is undergoing significant demographic transitions which include a steep decline in the total fertility rate, a rapidly aging population, and the erosion of traditional joint family systems, each with far-reaching implications. The government is committed to handling the cascading effects of a shrinking workforce, aging population, and changing family dynamics by launching a policy on demographic management. We have already scrapped the two-child norm for contesting local body polls. Additionally, in line with our assurances, we are going to implement Talliki Vandanam, providing financial support to mothers so that the education of the children doesn't become a burden to the family. Guided by a forward-looking vision and targeted initiatives, Andhra Pradesh is advancing human resource development and effective population management, laying the foundation for sustained economic growth. Now about employment and skilling. Education and skill enhancement are at the heart of Andhra Pradesh development strategy. The state is conducting a first of its kind skill census to map the skills of its population with local requirements, focusing on both offline and online upgradation of skills. Our government's holistic approach to develop is to provide a strong foundation for employment generation, focusing on one family, one entrepreneur. The people of Andhra Pradesh have always embraced self-satisfying work, valuing professions that bring both dignity and economic stability. Their entrepreneurial spirit drives them to proactively seize opportunities, turning skills into sustainable livelihoods. To enhance skills, we are following a skill cascading model under which 200 skill hubs have been established in government ITIs, polytechnics, and degree colleges to train unemployed youth and college dropouts to meet the local industry demand. 167 industry partners have entered into MOUs with government ITIs to facilitate industrial exposure to candidates. We once talked about ease of doing business, but now the Honorable Chief Minister is focusing on speed of doing business. Under this initiative, over 800 land allotments were successfully executed across 4,700 acres, attracting rupees 78,000 crores in investment and creating a potential for 48,789 jobs. Tourism, a critical employment multiplier, is playing a key role in empowering communities and driving sustainable growth. The Andhra Pradesh Tourism Policy 2024-29 envisions transforming the state into a global tourist destination by harnessing its rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, medical and ecotourism potential. The state is focusing on sustainable tourism by integrating green practices to minimize environmental impact. Andhra Pradesh's comprehensive strategy is to generate employment across all categories, including blue and white collar jobs, while focusing on high potential growth sectors such as MSMEs, textiles, and tourism. The Andhra Pradesh Textiles, Apparel and Garment Policy 2024 aims to attract rupees 10,000 crore investment and create 2 lakh jobs for over 5 years through 5 textile parks under a public-private partnership model. In our efforts to support marginalized traditional occupations, we have taken numerous initiatives. For instance, we have reserved 10% of the shops and provided a concessional 50% annual retail excise tax for Geeta Kulalu. The government is ensuring that every skilled worker and entrepreneur gets the support needed to thrive in their chosen field. The Andhra Pradesh IT and GCC Policy 2024 to 2029 admissions positioning the state as a leader in India's IT sector by fostering economic growth, innovation, and inclusive development. The policy emphasizes the development of digital infrastructure, work from home, co-working spaces, and data-driven governance. Through such strategic initiatives and unwavering commitment, Andhra Pradesh is being transformed into a hub of employment and advanced skilling. As mentioned in the election manifesto, we are committed to provide employment or give employment allowance to the youth of Andhra Pradesh.